pretty windy, so I don't know if I'm going to have to do a voiceover on this or not. But here is the Laugh-O-Gram studio. This is where Walt Disney first had his very first studio. Now, I do have some history about this place that I looked up from the thankyouwaltdisney.org. As you see on that sign there, www.thankyouwaltdisney.org. That is where they are going to, it's an organization that is collecting funds and matching grants from, I believe, some of the Disney family to restore this building into a museum. A museum and a little convention center area. Now, I can't get any closer now because the sidewalk is closed, but you can see that there is new brick right there to the side of the building. So that's a positive sign. Now, they did have a car run through this not too long ago, so that's probably the damage there where the plywood is behind the detour sign. And this is a pretty busy street. I'm going to see if I can cross. Now, the sad story to this is that Walt did eventually go bankrupt here. And he and a lot of his employees left here to start over again in California, where the studios are today. But for a little bit of time, it was said that things got so bad that he had to give up his apartment and he moved in upstairs in this building. He said at night when he'd go to sleep that he would hear the mice come out to eat crumbs from the employees' lunches that they had left. And it's said that he started getting up and feeding the mice, and that he ended up developing a relationship with one mouse, and that mouse ended up becoming tame and would sit on his writing board while he would draw, his drawing board. He ended up getting a little cage for it and keeping it in his desk drawer. I'm a little distracted by all the traffic. I'm going to try to get back across while it's... So like I said, a very busy road right here. Right now, I'm not real pleased with corporate Disney, the way they're doing the parks, just a lot of things that they're doing right now. But I do enjoy the history of Walt. Walt was a true leader, a true dreamer, one who had imagination and character, and it's just cool to come by and see places like this.